Good morning students. Welcome back to our GK class. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to start new chapter number 11, 45. In this chapter we are going to learn about some famous forts of India. So what are forts and why they built by kings? Forts क्या होते हैं और इन्हें kings ने क्यों बनाया था? Forts are strong buildings or a place with a wall or fence around it where soldiers can stay and be safe from the enemies. Okay, so fort is a place that is made strong and secure enough to be defended during a war. So let's read the question. India is known for the forts built by rulers of various states. Given below are some forts from across the country. Try to identify them. Use the help box if necessary. So look at the first picture. Which fort is this? This is Kondapalli Fort. This is Kondapalli Fort. And it is also known as Kondapalli Kota. And where it is located? It is located in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh and it was built by Prolaya Vema Reddy. Okay, so the answer is Kondapalli Fort. And what is the spelling of Kondapalli Fort? Kondapalli Kondapalli Fort. Now second one. Which fort is this? This is Munger Fort. This is Munger Fort. And where it is located? It is located at Munger in the state of Bihar. Okay. So you have to write here Munger Fort. And what is the spelling of Munger Fort? Munger Munger Fort. Fort. Now third one. Which fort is this? This is Ponda Fort and it is also known as Shivaji Fort. And where it is located? It is located in Ponda in the state of Goa and it was built by Adil Shah. Okay, so you have to write here Ponda Fort. And what is the spelling of Ponda Fort? Ponda Ponda Fort. Fort. Now fourth one. Which fort is this? This is Bhadra Fort. This is Bhadra Fort. And where it is located? It is located in Ahmedabad and it is built by Ahmad Shah. Okay, and what is the spelling of Bhadra Fort? Bhadra Bhadra Fort. Fort. Bhadra Fort. Now next one. Which fort is this? This is Bijapur Fort. This is Bijapur Fort. And where it is located? It is located in the Bijapur, Karnataka. Okay, and it was built by Yusuf Adil Shah. Okay, and the answer is Bijapur Fort. And what is the spelling of Bijapur Fort? Bijapur Bijapur Fort. Fort. Bijapur Fort. Now next one. Which fort is this? This is East Fort. This is East Fort. And where it is located? It is located in the Tiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Okay, and it was built by the kings of Travancore. Okay, so you have to write here East Fort. And what is the spelling of East Fort? East. East Fort. Fort. East Fort. Now let us move on to our next chapter. Chapter number 12, Real World. In this chapter, we are going to learn about some informations about real world. Real world means cinema world. Here some questions are given related to real world. We have to find out the answers from the help box. So let's read the question. Fill in the right answers. First one is the father of Indian cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke. The father of Indian cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Dada Saheb Phalke is known as the father of Indian cinema. So the answer is Dada Saheb Phalke. And what is the spelling of Dada Saheb Phalke? D-A-D-A-S-A-H-E-B, Dada Saheb. P-H-A-L-K-E, Phalke, Dada Saheb Phalke. Now second one, a famous comedian of the silent movie era who received acclaim for his portrayal of a Trump and Hitler. Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin. Okay, who is a famous comedian of the silent movie era? Charlie Chaplin. And what is the spelling of Charlie Chaplin? C-H-A-R-L-I-E, Charlie. C-H-A-P-L-I-N, Chaplin, Charlie Chaplin. Now third one, he rose to stardom after releasing his first music album Breathless. Shankar Mahadevan. Shankar Mahadevan. Okay, who rose to stardom after releasing his first music album Breathless. Shankar Mahadevan. And what is the spelling of Shankar Mahadevan? S-H-A-N-K-A-R, Shankar, M-A-H-A-D-E-V-A-N, Mahadevan. Shankar Mahadevan. Now fourth one, the highest award attainable by members of the American film industry. Answer is Oscar. Which highest award attainable by members of the American film industry? Oscar. Okay. Now fifth one, he starred in the Tamil science fiction film Robot in 2010. Rajnikant. And what is the spelling of Rajnikant? R-A-J-I-N-I-K-A-N-T-H, Rajnikant. Answer is Rajnikant. Who starred in the Tamil fiction film Robot? Rajnikant. And in which year? In 2010. Now next one, a comic pair, one fat and one thin, Laurel and Hardy. Laurel and Hardy. And what is the spelling of Laurel and Hardy? L-A-U-R-A-L, Laurel, and H-A-R-D-Y, Hardy. Laurel and Hardy. Now seventh one, the late actor who played Superman on the silver screen and was wheelchair bound for a long time after an accidental fall from a horse that left him paralyzed. Christopher Reeve. Answer is Christopher Reeve. Okay. Who was played Superman on the silver screen? Christopher Reeve. And what is the spelling of Christopher Reeve? C-H-R-I-S-T-O-P-H-E-R. Christopher, R-E-E-V-E, Reeve. Christopher Reeve. Now, eighth one. She was the first musician to be honored with the Bharat Ratna. M.S. Subbulakshmi. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Okay. Who was the first musician to be honored with the Bharat Ratna? M.S. Subbulakshmi. And what is the spelling of M.S. Subbulakshmi? M-S-U-B-B-U-L-A-K-S-H-M-I. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Now, ninth one. He is the chairman and CEO of Hyde Park Entertainment and a Hollywood producer and a former tennis player. Ashok Amritraj. Ashok Amritraj, who is the chairman and CEO of Hyde Park Entertainment? Ashok Amritraj. And what is the spelling of Ashok Amritraj? A-S-H-O-K. Ashok. A-M-R-I-T-R-A-J. Amritraj. Ashok Amritraj. Now 10th one. The director of Jurassic Park? Steven Spielberg. Steven Spielberg. Okay. And what is the spelling of Steven Spielberg? S-T-E-V-E-N. Steven. S-P-I-E-L-B-E-R-G. Spielberg. Okay. Who is the director of Jurassic Park? Steven Spielberg is the director of Jurassic Park. Okay. I hope you understood both the chapters. You have to complete these chapters in your textbook itself and try to learn these chapters. Thank you.